No wind, Kim. Look at the paper. There's no wind. No wind. There's a time. There's no wind, Kimmy. There's no rain. There's no snow. It's not raining. It's not snowing. There's a date and a time. 1/29/2025. There's a swirl, like it's angelic around the cams. It's coming from the ground up. Digital camera, digital cams. It's coming from my window. It's coming from the ground up. It's coming from the window where I'm at. It's not raining. There's no rain on my ramp. It's coming from the ground up. And it's shooting by. This one's it's coming from the ground up. Check this out. Check it out. Like Ghostbuster stuff. I want to note that my handicap ramp, it stayed dry. Look at that. And it swirled and swirled around it swirled around. It swirled and swirled. That's not the camera, that's here. See that? It's happening in the backyard. It swirled. Check that out. See that? That was going on in the backyard too. Let me see if I can get back to the other one. It was actually this morning. It started at, looks like at about before 1:30. You see that? It's like, this is what I saw last night. Do you see that? That's the front yard and the backyard. I opened the front door, and